go. Right, hello everybody, that's us back again at the BMW 3 Series. This is the F31 model. So as I said, the dash was, it was broken. So one of my subscribers, called Tom from Edinburgh, he recommended Cartronics. I put it in the edit. So we're absolutely delighted with them because they gave us a quote about £250 and we got it back today and they only charged us 162, so I think that's fantastic. BMW, I phoned them and they wanted 720 plus VAT plus an hour for coding, so that'd been 120 plus VAT, so you'd be looking at £1,000, so we cannot complain with this. What the company said, they said it was the main CPU it had went in it, so that's one for you to watch out in the future. But you can see, oh, where's the key went to, Mark? That's a good lad. There we go. Everything's working. It's all hunky-dory. And the guy was actually running. What you can actually do with this car, you can run about without a dash in it. So he was just keeping the diesel. He was keeping the diesel topped up to the max. So he's probably never had as much diesel in his life. So he's happy. I'm happy. We made the right shout. And there you go. Highly recommended Cartronics for instrument repairs. Cheers.